seeds from a store-bought jalapeno pepper so I can grow my own plants. You can soak the seeds in water for 24 hours, or you can rinse them. That is optional, but I'm just rinsing them. I'm just going to put them on a paper towel and then pat them dry. I am going to let them dry in this little cup for at least 2 or 3 days. I'm using a well-drained potting mix. This is my seed binder. So I've heard from a great YouTuber that you're only supposed to plant seeds 2 times deep as the size of the seed itself. So I'm only going to cover them with a little bit of soil. And these seeds are pretty small. I'm going to keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Jalapeno seeds sprout within 7 to 14 days. However, it can take anywhere from 4 to 21 days. These are going to go in the window for at least 6 hours a day. If these get really tall, I'll have to support them with stakes or cages as they grow. Wow, I might need a bigger planter after all.